So you've seen us put the anti-level lift on. That's only about a quarter of what's gonna happen in this truck. We got interior going on, we got a bumper going on, a custom grille going on, custom headlights going in. We got bed, and the bed's probably gonna be about a third of what this build is because it's gonna display their products. They're gonna be able to do demos out of it. It's gonna have audio, TVs, everything. It's gonna be nuts. The bed is gonna be pretty much the party. The truck's gonna be work. So we got a lot of work to do. Let's get after it.
Right now, I'm about to take all the seats out because we're gonna do the interior on this super badass truck. I just need one thing, figure out how to get them out.
Gotta get them naked. Whoop, whoop. I got 3 of them installed, or 4 of them installed right now. But
all right.
Yeah, we just gotta get them naked and then put the new ones on.
And dress them back up.
Yep, that's it.
Okay.
Easy peasy.
Everything is in this box.
Yeah, everything should be right there.
Everything should be.
Yeah.
It's going to be a walk in the park. It's a walk in Jurassic Park. Very close to get this thing done. I got the pieces wrapped up. I just need to do the headrests, and coming out great. Are they comfortable?
Well, they're factory, but with the leather skins. Are you still going to steam them?
Yes. Yes, that'll be the last thing to do, and of course install them back. Put them back. But yeah, it was a great project, especially for my hands. I feel so cramped. But no,
is it hard? I've never even watched anybody do it. Pain in the ass?
You should try it.
No, that's why I have people like you, man. I'm out of here. All right,
yeah.
Good job, guys. Keep going.
Thanks.
Time is money. Perfectly good headliner?
Yeah.
Did we buy suede for it or what?
We're just gonna do a black headliner.
Black headliner. Suede is way too thin.
We had just bought one finish for about 200 bucks.
Oh, they're like almost 1,000.
Okay.
I mean, I'm sure I can call somebody and get one for a little bit cheaper, but I think it's a waste.
I mean, should we suede it?
We can try and see if they have.
Do they have?
Suede.
See, what
Like
I'm worried
really
about
thin
is how are we going to get
suede?
all this detail done?
Okay,
because
so
we
not
That's
suede?
super easy.
Suede will be hard to push those things through. Wouldn't
No, just we're gonna have to poke holes in the regular headliner.
It's
it doesn't have to be suede. I don't care.
they sell this material looks like suede, but it's not.
Is it suede-ish?
Swedish? Yes.
Yes,
There you
that's
go.
Well, if they have one already
Very
put on this
sweet.
foam, we're gonna be thin enough. Like if they already have like this headliner
right.
material, then
That would be great.
right.
All right,
then we
thank
can
you.
do
Yeah.
Well, y'all check into it, but it's got to be perfect.
No, it'll be
And
perfect.
it can't be coming
It will.
unglued like when I was in high school and I had a
Yeah.
78 Regal and it was all hanging
And then
down.
you're using tacks and shit.
And I'm like using pins and stuff. And then the rips would get so long that I like use coat hanger, try to hold it up.
Dude.
No, y'all shouldn't have done that.
Oh no!
It's not that big of a deal. I'll show you a trick.
Look at Fifth's corner compared to y'all's. So clean, easy, and then look over there.
They got frustrated.
We're about to lay out.
Starlight Headliner. So we're gonna lay that thing out. Victor's gonna lay all the holes out for the fiber optics, and then we're going to randomly disperse the fiber optics throughout the headliner as well. So if you've ever seen the inside of a Rolls Royce or a picture of it, it's got starlights and they twinkle and dance and do whatever. Well, we're doing that, but it's all gonna be in orange. So
It's definitely not gonna be a Rolls Royce.
it won't be a Rolls Royce, but it'll be a Gorilla F350.
GorillaPro. What you're looking at is the logo, the GorillaPro opposite. So what I'm doing right now is laying out where all the fiber optics are gonna go. You know, they're gonna be laid out, you know, like around the outline of the letters. And thought it was gonna be easier, but it's a little slow process, you know, because it's a trial and error. You know, you got to lay out, you know, a certain amount to make it look proportionate. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now.
I am helping out Victor putting the headlight box or the headliner box, finding a place, finding a home for it, and then wiring it up.
The headliner is glued and glued up very well. It was fun. Process is slow. A lot of cutting, a lot of pushing, a lot of stretching, a lot of rubbing. But yeah, it's going in a good direction. Hopefully by the end of the day, we get to put the fiber optics and we'll see some light on the headliner.
So first time doing a Starlight, but it's really not that bad. So, but we only have 460, which is a decent amount, but I think 1,000 would be probably my limit. I don't think I'd go for 1,000.
Say, man, I don't know if it's time to break out the beers or what, but I guess our tire guys, Fury, just showed up in force, so to speak.
Oh, they brought all their trucks behind?
They brought a bunch of trucks.
All right, let's go check them out.
I think ours is still cooler.
Ours is way cooler.
Yeah, because you can work out of ours. These are just for show.
Exactly.
Oh!
Dang.
Oh, man. What in the Fury is going on here?
Well, figured we'd come by and bring some big of our show trucks and see what's up with your build.
What's up? One of my favorite ex-employees.
Yeah. Good times here, good times here.
Yeah. So now you're slinging tires and wheels.
Slinging tires and wheels.
That is freaking crazy,
I
man.
know the show truck put that bag on it.
Why you bringing that, Tim? Yeah, I got a big show in town next weekend, so.
What is it?
Summer Trucking Nationals at the VFW Stadium, AT&T Stadium.
Are they gonna let you in?
Yeah, we're one of the host sponsors. So.
No, I mean, like
no,
in
it's all
the stadium.
outside.
It's all. God,
It's gonna be toasty.
it's gonna be. It's like 105 right now. Look at my hair. It's all flat. It's horrible.
Yeah.
So you see the amp? So this is what I want to do to but have like their group strength professional grade.
Yeah. So why aren't we doing that?
That's what we are doing. But that's what I'm showing you. That way it's what it looks like.
Okay,
And
we
that's what
need
the
to do
back
that.
That's what the back's gonna look like as well. It's gonna be all that cushion.
Yeah. That is crazy, man.
I know.
What size are these?
Those are 30 by 16s on 42, 16, 50, 30 in our MT1 tread. Y'all have the MT2, I believe, on the new build. But this is our OG tread pattern that got us, you know, out the box and into everyone's lifted truck roll.
That's crazy, man. 30.
And then
30 by 16.
got some bigger stuff coming out for SEMA this year too, so that should be fun. So that's the tallest Bronco in the world right now. Tallest new body Bronco.
This is static. This one don't move.
No,
That one doesn't move. It actually has got a front axle swap on it to actually get this lift and everything like that. They're out of North Carolina.
Well, how come it's not running the other drive shaft?
It's Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Is it?
No, because that won't work. I don't think they make a drop transfer case bracket for it yet.
Like a 90-degree angle?
Yeah, like a 90-degree angle one that, you know, make it work.
We appreciate the tires. It was really rough trying to find those when we were looking for them. Everybody was out of
the
stock.
last 6 off that we had for that. So.
Yeah.
Well, check it out. Come on.
Yeah.
This is top secret. Nobody taking any pictures yet because we're debuting this at Sturgis. But we're what, 80% there?
Yeah, we're about 80% there. We got the displays and then button up a little bit of wiring and it's pretty much there.
Hell yeah, man. That's sick.
It'll be the only work truck with an any level, wouldn't it be?
Yeah, well, so there's 2 of them. One's a single cab short bed, and then this is the biggest work truck. This is the crew cab long bed with the 2-foot extension on the bed.
Look at that.
So we have the biggest work truck.
Dude, we're pretty stoked on it.
It's pretty rad.
We
Got
just
to drive around it?
No, not a lot yet. Just a little. The road test when any level was here, but we've got it all dialed in. Just buttoning up little stuff now, and then we got to decorate the outsides, and we've got to make a workbench area in the back here that we're still trying to work out for them.
Other than that, it's full audio from Wet Sounds and whatever. So it'd be super rad.
Should be sick. It'll be a comfortable drive, I guarantee you that.
Oh, it was super comfortable when we drove it on stock.
Dude, and dropping the any level going 80 down the highway is always fun too.
Oh yeah, I did that at 96.
It just does it.
Yeah, you just hit it, drops down. They're super cool. Hell yeah, no, things look awesome. Now the tires worked out for you, we were able to pull the last we had for you.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, well, next time we'll do something bigger. I like those 30s, those are kind of cool.
Yep, we have some even bigger than what we have out there coming out for SEMA this year, so.
Yeah, well, you want to see something big? Let me go show you my beer cooler.
Right.
So you guys just saw, we got done with the interior, got the leather seats in, got the headliner in with the Starlight roof. Now, we're gonna get started with this. On last episode, y'all saw Richard test out the sound system, which it was great, but you need to feel the music, which is what it was missing. So right here, we got this custom Sub Enclosure that we're gonna have 310s right here, making this all out of wood. Getting air is gonna get ported and then wrapped in carpet. And then over here, we got the enclosure or the face that Victor's gonna be working on. Got this all
that I'm working on right now.
So this is gonna be a little glass or plexiglass face that you're gonna be able to see through. Gonna have everything lighted up on the inside, so it's gonna look pretty.
Yeah, what I'm doing with this plexi, sorry. What I'm doing with this plexi is I'm gonna transfer the letters. If you see they're backwards right now. So I'm gonna cut the letters out and transfer the letters on the vinyl. I'm gonna cut them away. I'm gonna peel the vinyl off so the letters could stay. And then I'm gonna take it to the sandblast, so I can sandblast the background, so make it look kind of frosted, you know. Vinyl's on, letters are cut, the other side is covered. So come with me, let's check it out. Let's see what we're gonna put it in the sandblaster box. You guys are gonna witness my experiment for the first time. So hopefully it comes out good. Let's see what it does. So here we go. At this second, I'm done. Can you see it? Let me kill this machine so we can look at it. So you and me can look at it, and everybody else. So do you see is the vinyl stayed, and the shine went away. The clear is on this side. Let's go over here and see what. I'm not gonna peel it off completely, but you can see. Ta-da! And once I peel the letters, they're gonna have a shiny side. Let's do the dot. See what it. You see it? My theory worked. Seriously, I've never done it before, and I don't regret it. Came out the way I was thinking. Now we need to everything else to the box. You know, install the speakers, paint the box black, wrap it up, wire it up, and I need to drill holes to this thing. So let me show you guys real quick. This part is going to be peeled off, and it's going to have a shiny side, right? So this is going to be inside here. It's going to be put on like this. So you're going to see the letters, you know, well defined. You're going to see through the letters, but the background of the letters is frosted. You know, it's diffused. The light it's going to have some lights, of course, and it's going to be all diffused. I just want to be right on my theory, so yeah.
Got the sub box all wrapped in the carpet. We just got it mounted in. Just finished wiring it up just now, so we can have Chase hook up his phone and see if it actually hits. But we got all the wires hooked up. GorillaPro is looking really nice. The wires are all tucked. You can't really tell where they're going. It's clean, and hopefully it should hit really good.
Guys got the subwoofer box installed. They're doing the foam for the bed currently, and we're gonna go do BCC, which is owned by my buddy Zach. He powder coats wheels and everything. And actually Lacey's gonna be doing our wheels, and maybe I could just spray some powder too. We'll see.